There is such a thing as a secure knot you can use in crochet. It's so tiny you can hide it inside the stitches so you can't see it or even feel it. You can crochet a hexi cardigan like this one with over 25 colors without ever having any loose ends or wasting any time weaving them. Let me show you how. I just go in here, like in between two clusters, and I put my yarn in there and I chain 3. Now, I am continuing with my pattern, so I'm finishing the cluster with 2 double crochets here. Once I reach the end of my round, I will be slip stitching in my first double crochet of the round. And then I will cut my yarn. I don't need a lot of yarn here. And I pull this through. So this guy here, I'm gonna pull to the back, going through the same stitch. I will turn my work like this. I will have this little yarn on my right and this little yarn on my left. And what I want to do is bring them both right here. So I'm going to put my crochet hook through 2 or 3 of these. And I will grab this guy and pull it through here. Now, I'm going to go through the same 2 or 3 of these guys and through one of these up here. It doesn't matter, you can go through this one or this one. And I'm going to pull this guy through all of them just like that. It snagged a little, that's okay. Just gonna do it with my hands. And there we go. Now, we have both of these little yarns coming out the same spot. This is really important. I'm just gonna pull on my work here so everything looks neat and drop my crochet. And now, here's what you're gonna do. Take these 2 guys, make sure they're not overlapping like this. You're gonna put the left one over the right like this to form an X. And this left yarn, you're gonna push it underneath and on top the right one. And then you're going to pull really slowly until it enters underneath these stitches there. And this right yarn, you're gonna put over the left one in an X once again. And again underneath and on top. And this one again, slowly, you're just going to make it go under there over the previous one. And you'll notice that at some point you cannot pull any tighter. That means your knot is ready and you can snip off the ends. And you can do it as closely to the knot as you can and want. Because I promise you, this is completely secure now. It won't come undone no matter what. And you have your little knot there. Just push it underneath those stitches. Rearrange it a little and now tell me if you can see it or if you can feel it. I promise you that you won't. Tell me in the comment section if you enjoyed this video, if you're gonna be using this method, what you're gonna be using this method for. Don't forget to press that like button, the subscribe one as well if you want more tips like this, and I will see you next time, guys.